So many people are reaching retirement age right now, but fewer and fewer are actually ready for it. The old plan, work hard, save a little, and hope it's enough, just isn't giving people the security it used to. Traditional retirement planning is falling apart. Pensions are disappearing, savings aren't stretching, and fixed incomes feel more like a trap than a safety net. But here's what most midlifers don't realize. There's a quiet movement happening across North America that's helping people feel more confident about retirement than they have in years. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this movement works, how it's transforming retirement for people just like us, and how you can plug into it starting today. And make sure you stay with me until the story near the end. It's the moment everything clicked. Retirement planning used to be simple. Work 30 years, collect a pension, retire comfortably. But that world doesn't exist anymore. And here's the real problem. Most of us never had anyone to guide us, support us, or walk beside us as things began to change. That's why community-based retirement planning is becoming so important. It gives you a place to learn, grow, and rebuild confidence one step at a time. And if at any point during this video you feel that spark of, I need support like this, my Retirement Freedom Seekers community is linked in the description below. You don't have to do this alone. Let's talk about the challenges midlifers are facing with traditional retirement planning. First off, financial insecurity. Life happens. Illness, divorce, job loss, unexpected expenses, caring for aging parents, raising grandkids. It's not that people were irresponsible, it's that real life rarely goes according to plan. Second, isolation. Most people keep their fears to themselves. They feel embarrassed to admit they're short on savings. But staying silent doesn't create solutions. Community does. Third, outdated retirement models. Pensions are disappearing, inflation is rising, and the old work 35 years retire plan doesn't work anymore. But here's where things start to shift. There's a growing movement of midlifers who are choosing community-driven retirement planning. And it's changing everything. Inside these communities, one person learns a digital skill and everyone benefits. One person discovers a simple income stream and everyone learns it. It compresses time and multiplies success. When people feel supported, everything becomes easier. Learning digital income skills, staying consistent, building confidence, feeling hopeful again. And in just a few moments, I'm going to share a story that shows exactly why this kind of support matters. People in their 50s, 60s, or even their 70s are earning online, building digital income streams, and creating retirement confidence, not because they're tech experts, but because they're not doing it alone. And again, if you want to plug into the community doing exactly this, the link to the Retirement Freedom Seekers community is in the description below. Here's the story I promised. A woman joined my community recently who felt completely stuck. She was short on retirement, overwhelmed, and terrified of the future. She said to me, "Celine, I feel like I failed. I should be further ahead." But she showed up anyway. Inside the community, she found people just like her, midlifers who were scared, unsure, and trying to figure out their next chapter. She learned simple digital skills, she joined trainings, and asked questions. She got the engagement she hadn't felt in years. And then she looked at me and said, "For the first time in my life, I feel hopeful about retirement." That shift from fear to freedom didn't come from winning the lottery. It came from community. You don't need perfection, you just need support. Here's what this all means. You're not behind, you're not alone, you don't need experience to start, and you absolutely can build retirement confidence at any age. If you've been scared, overwhelmed, or unsure, you simply haven't had the right support system yet, and you deserve one. So I'd love to know, what's one thing that you wish you felt more confident about when it comes to retirement? Tell me in the comments. I'll respond to every one of you. If you're ready to learn, grow, and build digital income alongside other midlifers who are walking this journey with you, join my Retirement Freedom Seekers community. The link is in the description below. You don't have to walk this journey alone. Come rewrite your retirement story with us.